Seductive Souls coming back at you again, another video. Got the Luxe X, just came in yesterday, did an unboxing video. So today pretty much I'm gonna do a shooting video and just compare, just show you the gun, a few things break down. Right here we have the Luxe X, and then we have the Luxe Ice. Of course, I love them both. So pretty much I'm just gonna show you how they were talking about the quick breakdown and show you the bolt comparison and everything like that, and then I'm gonna do a shooting video. So I had already started, but I'll put this back in like that. Okay, this is the Luxe Ice. Take that bolt out, pull it up, pop it out, sit this down, put this back in for y'all to see that. This is the Luxe X, red and black. Pop this up, pull it out, there we go. Now Luxe Ice, Luxe X. The bolt is shorter, made different to be more efficient, more air, so therefore you get more pods, more balls out of your tank. I don't really know how to explain the difference. I mean, you can look at it and see the difference. I don't really know how to explain the difference in them. And then as far as like on the back, on the Ice, it just has the Luxe logo. On the X, it has the same logo, but it says Luxe X on there. Bring it closer so you can see that. There you go. This one's regular. Now, got the eyes taken off as well. To me, they appear to be the same, except this piece right here. I don't know exactly what's that called, but yeah. So now, once you take the bolt out on the X, you have this groove right here, and it has a switch. So what you do is flip that switch all the way up like that. You hear a click. Flip your Ice, flip your X over, and then you have a switch right here. Push that switch all the way back towards you. Once you push it back, you should hear a click or and then you'll feel it release. So there you go. Easy. Take it apart, cleaning, whatever you need done. There you go. Then also they stuck with the, I don't know what this called, this ASA, this flat, stuck with that. The X also comes with quick release grips, so you don't have to unscrew them. On one side you have to, the other side is quick release, so it just pops. There you go. Inside, easy maintain, change your electronics, your insides. Battery charging port that takes the type C right here. Your battery right here. Again, easy, push up, it pops out. Put it back in, slide down, it locks in. Same setup.
Powering on. Welcome to the Luxe experience. Battery level 100%. Firing mode semi-automatic.
That's still the same setup. Press and hold to power it off. Go into settings mode, hold the trigger and the power button at the same time.
Programming mode.
And you go to programming mode. Now the difference, it's still the same. As you see, this jewel right here is red that matched the gun. On the Ice, it's silver, but it's still the same thing. Trigger and a button. You go into programming mode. Now I don't know if you can see the difference with the screens. The screens is still the same size, but on the X, the OLED is, the screen is more bluer, it's more clear, more brighter, if that makes sense. And it's still, of course, everything's still the same. Come on.
Main menu.
There we go.
Settings.
Everything.
Semi-automatic.
Everything's still the same to get you set up. Now with the trigger.
Cant semi-automatic.
With the trigger, there's one screw. Take the screw out.
XL.
Makes it easier to change. Makes it easier to change the trigger or to adjust it however you want to adjust it. Insides look smooth, less complicated, but yeah, the trigger's going crazy. Let me turn it off. Oh wait.
Semi-automatic. First shot drop.
Set it.
Setting. 20 milliseconds.
Okay, now anyway, I'm gonna ignore that because it's not doing what I wanted to do. So just to put that back together, of course, align up your parts, drop it in,
NXL.
drop it in.
Auto response.
You see everything is flux like it's supposed to be. Flip this switch down. It locks it back in place. Then you come back to the front and push this switch forward. There you go, and it's back in place. It's locked. As you see, it says Luxe X number 304. That's the number of the gun that I have. And one thing too, when you take those grips off, at the top there's a little piece, a little clip. Make sure you slide that in first before you slide the rest of it on. But I'm gonna go ahead and pause this, put this back together so I can go outside and do a shooting video, or do a video shooting just to see how it feels to shoot it. So I'll be right back. Luxe X in the backyard, about to do a shooting video. Bad weather, rainy and cold. Got the Spire 3, the red. The reds are off a little bit, but that color scheme is good with me. Go ahead and power this bad boy on. Count and say 0.
Powering on. Welcome to the Luxe experience. Battery level 100%. Firing mode semi-automatic. Vision off. Vision on.
Turn on the Spire first, that will help. There we go. Pretty straight. They got a slight kickback, but not major, nothing major. I can't finger bang like I want to because I'm trying to record as well. But accuracy is pretty good. Let's see if I put this over there. So like this. Let's try this. Here we go. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Ran out of balls. That's one part. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot another part. I'll try to get out as much as I can. I know it kind of sucks because I'm doing it one-handed again. Luxe X firing video. Most of the ones I've been seeing online has been the anniversary edition, so I'm pretty sure this is a good one. Try it now. Pretty good. that's it. Just like that, I'm out of balls. So it's pretty good, pretty accurate. It's cold outside, got a lot of splatter. Pretty good. But yeah, again, that's the Luxe X, the red and black colorway, shooting with Aspire 3. My tank 6800, I think 4500, 45, yeah. But like I said, I stay with the red and black. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think.